this is really helpful, sir. As I told you earlier, I just got to know about what is robotics and some basics from the scratch I learned, sir. And also the recorded videos was really helpful, sir. We can access the videos in our flexible time. Rather than live sections, it would be like difficult, sir. Since it's a recorded session, it's really helpful, sir. And the examples you gave in for the problems and the computer programs also really useful, sir. Like we tried using in our Arduino board. Darshan, we bought a Arduino or R3, sir. So we tried some display messages and everything, sir. It's really, I actually started a little bit delay, sir. Since we are doing an industrial visit, we were doing industrial visit that on the time. We informed that also, sir. And then we started somewhat late, and we started and in the 10 or 12 videos, 10 videos. I just thought I could not complete within the time. Then I also messaged you about extension, but then I completed within the time, sir. I started to focus only on this video, like watching 3 to 4 videos in a day, and then I completed within the time, sir. Even though I started some late, but I completed within the time, sir.